How to create contacts in SmarterMail. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your SmarterMail account. To create a new contact, select the icon for contacts in the left navigation toolbar. Existing contacts will be listed here. We will create a new contact, so click on the New button. Select and enter a display name. Next, select the first name field. Then enter this contact's last name. Now enter the email address for this contact. Enter any other information you wish for this contact. We will enter a home page. Click on the Contact Info tab to fill in information there. Now click the Save button to save this new contact. Here we can see the new contact listed. You now know how to create new contacts in SmarterMail.